Hello, this is Lance Cleveland. Today we released Locator Plus version 4.5. One of the updates that is included is this new plugin style here, that is the beside the point flat with the BHG color palette. So we're going to start introducing color palettes for different styles here that will be built using the SCSS style compiler, and we'll be using that for those of you that want to pull the source code and actually play with the SCSS palettes. Those will be included in the source. The base product will ship with the pre-compiled themes here that you see here. So that's one of the changes that is in this release. Other changes include updates to the Manage Locations interface. There is now a To All button. So various actions, for example, deleting locations. If you have 10,000 locations, you no longer have to show all 10,000 locations, check them off, and then delete them. You can now pick the action and then click the To All button, and it will delete all the locations in the database. Now, the base plugin is aware of the To All button. The Power add-on pack will deal with some of these other features, and the Experience add-on pack will also support these other features that are added by those add-ons, and will employ the To All button. For those add-ons that don't support it, you can still use the standard checkbox and the Apply button, just as you always have. Another change to this is the display button's gone. Whenever you pick a number of locations to show, it will automatically update to show that many locations. You do not have to click the display button any longer. If you're choosing over 500 locations, it will warn you, because a lot of servers cannot handle dumping 500, 5,000, or 10,000 locations to your screen. So those are things that have been changed, in addition to various updates in the back end. Extra data I/O calls were eliminated. For our friends over in Italy, the country code was changed to be correctly IT versus IL, which I believe was Israel. So that's been fixed. So our users in Italy will like that. And there are other minor updates in the background, most of them having to do with support for the Premier Territories add-on. There were some just underlying pinnings that we had to put into the product, places to hook stuff in to handle support for territories, which there are other videos that discuss that. So those are some of the updates that you'll see in Store Locator Plus version 4.5. As always, if you have questions or comments, please post in the forums or send an email to support@storelocatorplus.com. Always include the URL to where your locator is on your live site. And if you have it, please send your information that is under the Info tab for your plugin environment. That will help us decipher what may be going on with version issues between your add-on packs. As always, thank you for supporting Store Locator Plus.